Durian skin and durian seed soup. Ingredients: 1. Durian skin. 2. Durian seeds. 3. Chicken legs. 4. Some salt. 5. Water. Remove all the thorns and cut the skin to small pieces. Wash the seeds clean and then put durian skin, seeds and chicken legs into the cooker and then add some water and salt. Put on the cooker cover. Turn on the stove knob. And the set timer. This timer is my design. So-called stove panel. It can be a simple timer and it also can prevent some cooking accident like overflowed soup, overcooked food and even fire accident. If you are interested in it, you can check here. After setting timer, you do your other thing. Once the preset timing is reached, stove panel will produce a loud alarm to remind the user. The durian soup is ready. This is final durian soup. It looks like Huaishan soup, but it is more sticky than Huaishan soup. The soup taste is great, but you can't eat durian skin, no tasty at all. The durian seed is good. I feel like chestnut. This is my first time durian soup. Enjoying.